got a nice little spot for my phone, as you can see. Huh? What do you think? You can check on Lisa in the back if she was in here. Yeah. Well, the check engine light that I had to go get looked at turns out to be nothing that needs to be fixed. It says that the fuel is running too rich. And I'm like, what do you do about that? And he's like, usually it's running too lean, so if that's the case, you need to fix something, but it's in such good shape. I'm like, wow, good deal. The only thing I'm trying to work on right now is trying to figure out the AC in the back, like the main AC. I've had it plugged in, and then I've had the generator on. I found the switch for the generator, but I got the propane tanks filled up so I can start the hot water heater. I'm gonna put some more water in the tank and start checking that and stuff. When it gets colder, I'll have to check the heater, but right now I want to check the air conditioner. Get the basics done first. Whew. Got all this out yesterday pretty quickly. Just a few screws. And now we got to get this out. I'm going to take these screws out of here, take this all apart. The goal today is to get the floor out, which means everything that's on the floor. So we got, of course, this kitchen thing is going to stay. Nice. Lots of space. Those are done. They're all out. And I have a nice open floor to pull up. Gotta cut that over there.
Yeah, I feel like the straight line where that white strip all the way across to that.
Okay.
And we have to take these out to get the carpet out.
Yeah. We'll put them back.
Well, we need them. I don't see them.
Okay, got it? How about that? Next one.
Okay, hold on. I'll tell you when I'm ready. Hold on. Okay.
Nice. This spacious place we have now. Spacious.
I don't know.
Well, the challenge today, and this is a week later from before, is to install wiring as a dedicated cable to the Max Air fan. So we got the Max Air fan that needs a dedicated wire because I just can't seem to find where this connects. So I'm just gonna run a wire, it's very similar to this, straight over here. I'm gonna put a white cover over it. It'll go behind there and then down there and then here. And there's a dedicated spot for it right on the end where there's no wire connecting. 15 amp, worked very well for the other one. Let's go see it. So here's the other camper that I renovated last couple of years. That Max Air fan has this black and white wire to it. I put it back here, through here. I was able to fish it through this way. So that's really where it's visible. Bleh. And here's where I plugged it in to. Which one did I plug it into? This black one right here. That one. Yeah, I think I have. I didn't redo it, but yeah, that's the black wire. The white one is in the back on the neutral. Well, unfortunately, that's a wrap for this video because I don't have the wire and I have to go to the store. Instead of wasting time doing that, I'm gonna do other things like clean off the roof of that, wipe it down, and some other minor tedious things. Anyway, thanks for watching and hope to see you here next time. And I'm gonna start posting again. So this is the next stage. Lisa's off at a little party and we'll be back here in a week or two.